I'm just going to demonstrate here how to find the 2-point perspective of, or to set up a 2-point perspective of an object. So I have a plan here of a rectangle, and I already have my spectator down here, which is at 30 degrees to that point A, or that rectangle. So first off, I want to find the picture plane. So from the spectator, I want to go back to the corners of the rectangle. Next step, I want to bisect the angle in here. That line gives me the bisection between that angle. For the picture plane, I want to go perpendicular to that line, and it's going to go through the point A on my rectangle. In other questions, it might be at a different position to A. It's just for this purpose of this setup, which is easier if I go through the point A. So that line there, that is what's known as my picture plane. Picture plane, PP. Now, next step, I want to find my vanishing points. So, to find vanishing points, you're just going parallel to the size of the object. So, it's just horizontal here and it's vertical here because it's a rectangle. So, just from the spectator, horizontal to where it hits the picture plane. That there is going to give me a point, or a vanishing point 1. I'm going to go vertical through the point spectator to where it hits the picture plane again. Gives me another point. So I now have my 2 vanishing points. So here is VP1, that's VP2. Now, so next step, I want to find my ground line and my horizon line. So my ground line is just going to be, there's no dimensions, heights given for this one, so I'm just going to come down here and then parallel to the picture plane. Everything here is parallel to the picture plane. So that's my ground line given. This here would be my horizon line. So I have my ground line here. Here I have my horizon line. So HL, GL. Now I want to bring these vanishing points down to the horizon line, parallel to this line of bisection. So bringing them down, that gives me VP1, that gives me VP2. Now, I want to bring my spectator down from there, down to my ground line. So I'm basically just extending this line down to the bottom. This here gives me a point on the ground line, or my corner. That can go back to my VP, my vanishing points. That there will be the setup, or the final setup to start doing the perspective question.